Hello da Tangam, welcome to GullyClassroom. This is the second lecture. In which chapter, sir? In the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. In CBSE 10th Standard Mathematics, chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. This is the second lecture that is taken in English. If you guys want to listen to the Tamil version of the same lecture, that is available in the playlist named as T2. This particular lecture will be named as E2. Okay sir, I am comfortable with the entire setup. Let us just go for this particular lecture where we are going to solve these 8 beautiful introductory problems in trigonometric ratios. Okay Tango. Let us go for the first problem. In triangle ABC, which is right angled at, let us check in triangle ABC which is right angled at A. So A is a right angle. Let us name this as B. Let us name this as C. AB is 6 centimeters. AB is going to be 6 centimeters. BC is going to be 10 centimeters. They are asking us to find all the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle B. So with respect to angle B, what are the other trigonometric ratios? In order to find the trigonometric ratios, we need to find the opposite side with respect to B, which is AC. For that, we need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, sir. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. In right angled triangle ABC, fine. What is happening? Hypotenuse square BC square is nothing but AB square plus AC square. Okay, sir. Now let us substitute all the values that we know. BC is 6. BC is going to be 10. BC is going to be 10. AB is going to be 6. And AC, we need to find AC. This is going to become 100. This is going to become 36 plus AC square. I need to bring 36 over here. 100 minus 36 is going to be AC square. We are going to get 64 is AC square. 64 can be written as 8 square. So I am going to get AC square is equal to 8 square. What are you going to do now, sir? I am going to apply root on both sides. Root on both sides. What is root? Root is an idea where both sides we will be taking a power of 1 by 2. So 8 square we will take it to a power of 1 by 2. AC square we will take it to a power of 1 by 2. This is the same as whole power 1 by 2. Let me repeat. This symbol is simply giving a notation of power of 1 by 2. This symbol represents power of 1 by 2. So I am simply writing the root has power of 1 by 2. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. AC will be written as 8 centimeter. So let us write AC has 8 centimeter. They are asking us to find all the trigonometric ratios with respect to the angle B. Let us find sine of angle B. Sine of B is opposite side by hypotenuse, which is AC divided by hypotenuse BC. AC is 8 centimeters, hypotenuse BC is 10 centimeters, centimeter will get cancelled. 8 and 10 will get cancelled as 4 and 5. So sine B is 4 by 5. Okay sir. So let us go for what is reciprocal of sine B. Reciprocal of sine B is simply cosecant B. So I am going to write 1 by sine B. So if I take reciprocal of 4 by 5, we will automatically get 5 by 4. So if I find sine B and take the reciprocal of it, I can automatically find cosecant B. Sir, I also want to understand how I can find cosecant B using the formula. What is the formula for cosecant B? Formula for cosecant B is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So with respect to B, what is the hypotenuse? 10. What is the opposite side? 8. What is the value of 10 divided by 8? 10 divided by 8, when cancelled, we will get 5 divided by 4, which is 5 divided by 4 we are getting by simply taking the reciprocal of sine B. Now let us try to understand the value of cos B. Okay, what is cos B? Adjacent side. What is adjacent side? Adjacent side here is AB whole divided by hypotenuse BC. So AB here is 6 centimeter, BC here is 10 centimeter, centimeter will get cancelled, 6 and 10 will get cancelled and we will get 3 by 5. So the value of cos B is 3 by 5. Fine. Now what is the reciprocal of cos B? Cos B reciprocal is secant B. So I can simply take the reciprocal of 3 by 5, which is 5 by 3, which is 5 by 3. Sir, work this and show. It's not a big thing. Let us say I am going to work this out. What is the value of cos B? I will put 3 by 5 over here. Now what will happen? 3 by 5 needs to be brought up. You will take reciprocal of this, which is 5 by 3. So by simply taking the reciprocal of cos B, I can find secant B. I can also find secant B using the formula, which is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, 10 centimeters divided by 6 centimeters, which is 5 by 3. I am getting 5 by 3. Okay, sir. What about tan B? What is tan B? Tan B is simply opposite side by adjacent side. Here the opposite side is AC, adjacent side is AB. AC is simply written as 8 centimeter, AB is simply written as 6 centimeter. Centimeter will get cancelled. 8 and 6 will get cancelled as 4 and 3. Fine sir, fine sir. This is basically tan B. But I can also find tan B by dividing. I can also find tan B by dividing sin B and cos B. How? Let us substitute the value of sin B in the numerator, 4 by 5. Let us substitute the value of cos B in the denominator, 3 by 5. Okay, I am going to bring this up. So 4 by 5 multiplied by reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. I am getting 4 by 3. Awesome, awesome. So tan B, using the formula I am getting 4 by 3. Using the calculation, tan B is equal to sin by cos. We are again getting 4 by 3. What is the reciprocal of tan B? It is nothing but cot B. It is nothing but cot B. Cot B is 1 by tan B. If I take the reciprocal of tan B, I will simply get 3 by 4. I will simply get 3 by 4. If you notice a very interesting thing here, with respect to sin B and cos B, the value is lesser than 1 because the denominator is higher. With respect to cosecant B and secant B, the value is greater than 1. Why sir? Because the numerator is higher. Okay sir, I am comfortable with the first problem. Now I want to do the second problem. Immediately go for the second problem. Okay Tango, let us go for the second problem. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. So we are taking a triangle ABC. This particular triangle is right angled at B. Okay, fine. Let us take this as A. Let us take this as C. Now AB is 24 centimeters, AB is 24 centimeters, BC is 7 centimeters, BC is 7 centimeters. They are asking us to determine these particular trigonometric ratios. Very good sir, very good sir. Now let us try to do this particular problem. First, in order to find all the trigonometric ratios, I need to find the value of the hypotenuse. So, I am going to write in right angled triangle ABC, hypotenuse square, which is AC square, can be written as BC square plus AB square. Let us substitute all the values. BC square is nothing but 7 square, AB is 24 square, 7 square is 49, 24 square is 576. If you add both of these numbers, you will get 625. That is basically AC square. 625 can be written as 25 square and AC square. Now what am I supposed to do? Once more you can apply root on both sides. Applying root on both sides. Fine sir, fine sir. If I apply root on both sides, what is happening? I am doing root of AC square is equal to root of 20y square. Remember, putting this symbol is nothing but power of half. Putting this symbol is nothing but power of half. So I can simply cancel this half along with this 2. I can simply cancel this half along with this 2. So the value of AC is 25 centimeters. So the value of AC is 25 centimeters. Okay sir, okay sir. Now what are they asking us to find? First they are asking us to find sin A and cos A. What next? After finding sin A and cos A, what are they asking us to find? They are asking us to find sin C and cos C. They are asking us to find sin C and cos C. Let us try them. What is sin A? With respect to A, what is the opposite side? BC is the opposite side, AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, so what is the value of BC? 7 centimeters. What is the value of AC? 25 centimeters. If I cancel this and this, the answer is simply 7 by 25. Okay, sir. What next? Let us find cos A. Cos A means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here the adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So here 24 centimeters is divided by 25 centimeters. If I cancel centimeter and centimeter, the answer for cos A is simply 24 by 25. Let us leave some distance. Here I am writing sin C and cos C. Sir, what is the difference between these two things? What is the difference between these two things? The basic idea is here sin A and cos A are calculated with respect to this particular angle A. Here sin and cos are calculated with respect to this particular value. Sin and cos are calculated with respect to this particular angle value C. Okay, sir, let us try this out. With respect to C, what is the opposite side? Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. With respect to C, opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB divided by AC means 24 centimeters divided by 25 centimeters. If I cancel centimeters, sin C is 24 by 25. Awesome. What next? Let us go for cos C. Cos C means, let us calculate cos C with respect to this particular value. Here cos C means, I need to calculate adjacent by hypotenuse. When I am calculating adjacent by hypotenuse, here I am going for BC divided by AC. So with respect to C, this is adjacent side, this is opposite side. So BC is nothing but 7 centimeters, hypotenuse is nothing but 25 centimeters. So the answer is 7 by 25. Here the most important thing is to notice is, if I am changing the angle with respect to which the trigonometric ratio is calculated, we are getting different values. Here the most important thing to note is sin A is 7 by 25, but sin C, sin A is 7 by 25, but sin C is 25, sorry, sin C is 24 divided by 25. The values are changing. Similarly, cos A and cos C are changing because trigonometric ratios depend only on the angles. They do not depend on the length of the sides. Trigonometric ratios do not depend upon the length of the sides. They depend only on the angles. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I am comfortable with this particular problem. Let us go for the third problem. In third problem, in triangle ABC, right angled at B. Okay, they are giving us a triangle. Let us draw the triangle over here. This particular triangle is right angled at B. Given tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, let us call this particular angle A, this particular angle C. So tan A is, they have given that tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Fine. So where are we going to take the value of 4? Here tan A is opposite by adjacent. So I can take this particular value of 4 and I can also take this particular value as 3. I can take this particular value as 3. So tan A is opposite by adjacent. I am taking it as 4 by 3. Here it can be any multiple of 4. It can be any multiple of 3. How am I supposed to understand this, sir? Let us say they have given tan A value to be 4 by 3. Which means even if tan A value is 8 divided by 6, I can cancel both of them and write it as 4 by 3. Even if tan A value is, let us multiply both of them by 5. 5 into 4 is 20 divided by 5 into 3 is 15. Once more I can cancel them and get 4 by 3. Which means for us to get a ratio of tan A is equal to 4 by 3, it can be 8 by 6, 20 by 15 or any such multiples of 4 and 3. Any such multiples of 4 and 3. Look here, 8 is a multiple of 4. 20 is a multiple of 4, 6 is a multiple of 3, 15 is a multiple of 3. Are you able to understand this? So in order to accommodate the idea of multiples, I am going to say that tan A can be written as 4k divided by 3k. Tan A can be written as 4k divided by 3k. Okay sir, okay sir. Here k can be any constant. It can be 2, in this case 8 by 6. It can be 5, in this case 20 by 15. K can be any constant because we are finding the ratio. K and k will get cancelled. Okay sir, I am comfortable with the idea of tan A is equal to 4 by 3. I am comfortable with the idea of tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Fine. Now, anyway, k and k will get cancelled. You need not worry. So, the basic value of tan A is 4 by 3. Okay, sir. What about cot A? Cot A is simply the reciprocal of tan A. So, I will simply write this as 3 by 4. I will simply write this as 3 by 4. Okay, sir. What next? Let us find the value of sin A. Before finding the value of our sin A, we need to find the value of this particular hypotenuse. How am I supposed to find the value of this particular hypotenuse? Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. Let us assume this length to be 4k. Let us assume this length to be 3k. I am applying Pythagoras theorem over here. In right angled triangle ABC, the hypotenuse is AC square. It is nothing but BC square. It is nothing but BC square plus AB square. Let us substitute the values that we know. What are the values that we know? Hypotenuse, we do not know the hypotenuse. AC square. BC is nothing but 4k whole square. AB is nothing but 3k whole square. This is going to be 16k square and this is going to be 3k whole square is 9k square. If you add this, you will get 25k square. Here you are putting AC square. Comfortable, sir. Now this can be written as 5k whole square. This you are going to write it as AC square. Taking root on both sides. What is root? You will simply take the power of 1 by 2. What is root? You will simply take the power of 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. AC is equal to 5k. AC is equal to 5k. Okay, sir. I am comfortable. Let us put it over here. AC is equal to 5k. Now, let us find the other trigonometric ratios like sin A. What is sin A? Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. So, 4k by 5k. 4k by 5k. If I cancel k and k, the answer is 4 by 5. I have simply found out sin. What is the reciprocal of sin? Cosecant, which is nothing but 1 by sin A. If I take reciprocal of sin, I will simply get 5 by 4. I will simply get 5 by 4. Okay, sir. What about cos A? The idea of cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side with respect to A? Over here, the adjacent side with respect to A over here is 3k, hypotenuse is 5k, k and k will get cancelled. So what will happen? You will get cos A is nothing but 3 by 5, cos A is nothing but 3k, 5k, kk cancelled, answer is 3 by 5. If I take the reciprocal of cos A, I will get secant A, which is 1 by cos A. The reciprocal is basically 5 by 3. Fine sir, fine sir. Now I have found out all the 6 trigonometric ratios with respect to the third problem. With respect to the third problem, with respect to this particular angle A, if I find all the trigonometric ratios with respect to the angle C, all these values will obviously change because the trigonometric ratios depend only on the angle values. They do not really depend on the length of the sides, on the length of the sides. Fine sir, fine sir. Okay sir. Sir, I have a doubt. Yeah. Here you have cancelled centimeter and centimeter. In each and every trigonometric ratio, you will cancel both the units. If the top one is in centimeters, the bottom also will be in centimeters. The numerators units and the denominators units will get cancelled. So, trigonometric ratios do not have any dimensions. Trigonometric ratios do not have any units. They are simply values. They are simply values. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I am comfortable with this idea. So, you have just completed first, second and third problem. Let us go for the fourth problem. Okay, in fourth problem, what have they given? They have given that sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Let us do this particular problem, sir. Okay, Katanga. Okay, Tanga. Give me a couple of seconds. I just want to rub the board. But while rubbing the board, why don't you recall sin A formula, sir? Because here it is given sin A in the fourth problem. Do recall the formula. Absolutely, Tanga. Let us take sin A. What is sin A? Sin A in this particular triangle. Let us take this to be A, this to be B, this to be C. Sin A is, let us check over here, 3 by 4. Opposite side is going to be 3. Yeah, am I getting this right? Yes. Sin A is 3 by 4. Opposite is going to be 3. Hypotenuse is going to be 4. Okay, sir. So, sin A is basically BC divided by AC, which is opposite by hypotenuse. Now, what are you going to do? They have given this as 3 by 4, which can be true because sin A value will always be lesser than 1. Here the denominator is higher. So, sin A value can be 3 by 4. Now, first I need to apply Pythagoras theorem and find the value for the adjacent side. I need to find the value for the adjacent side. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is nothing but 4 square is equal to, I need to find AB square, BC is 3 square, 16 is equal to AB square plus 9. I am going to bring 9 over here. 16 minus 9 is AB square. 16 minus 9 is nothing but 7 AB square. How am I supposed to do this? Applying root on both sides. So if I am applying root on both sides, power half. So what will happen here? This half and this half will get cancelled. 7 power half can also be written as root 7. 7 power half can also be written as root 7. So what is the value of the adjacent side over here? The value of the adjacent side over here is root 7. The value of the adjacent side over here is root 7. Fine, sir. In the fourth question, what are they asking? They are asking us to find the value of cos A. What is cos A? Cos A is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Fine. Adjacent side over here is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So, root 7 by 4 is the answer. Okay, what next? They are asking us to calculate tan A, cos A and tan A with respect to angle A. What is the opposite side? Opposite side is 3. Fine. Let us write it in values. Let us write it as values of the sides of the triangle. Tan A, opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse is, tan A means opposite side by adjacent side. BC is the opposite side. AB is the adjacent side. I am writing BC has 3 over here. AB has root 7 over here. Yeah, that is basically the value of cos A and tan A. Let us go for the fifth question. In fifth question, they have given as 15 cot of A is nothing but 8. They are asking us to find sin A and secant A. That is fine. Let us draw a triangle. This is the right angle. Let us take this has A, this has B and this has C. They are giving the value of cot A. This 15 can be brought over here by cross multiplying. So I am getting 8 by 15. What is the formula for cot? Cot is adjacent side divided by opposite side. So let us substitute it over here. Cot A is adjacent side. Adjacent side means 8 over here. Opposite side means 15 over here. I need to find the hypotenuse for this. How are we supposed to find the hypotenuse for this? Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, sir. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem over here. Hypotenuse square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Okay, so BC is nothing but 15 square plus 8 square, which is 225 plus 64. Okay, if we add this, we will get 289. Fine. If you calculate and see, 289 is nothing but 17 square. So here I am getting AC square as 17 square. AC square as 17 square. What next, sir? Let us apply root on both sides. Root means power half. Root means power half. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. AC is nothing but 17. So I am going to put AC has 17. What are they asking to find in the fifth problem? In the fifth problem, they are asking us to find 15 cot A. In the fifth problem, given is 15 cot A is equal to 8. They are asking us to find sin A and secant A. They are asking us to find sin A and secant A. What is sin A? Sin A is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is nothing but BC. Hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So BC 15 by 17 is the answer. Sin A opposite by hypotenuse. What is secant A? Secant A is nothing but 1 by cos. Obviously secant A is nothing but 1 by cos. Okay, so 1 by cos A. If I am going to work it out like this, what is cos A? Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? Adjacent side over here is AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. This will come up, it will become its reciprocal. AC by AB is the final formula. I can directly use this formula. Secant A is nothing but hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Here hypotenuse is simply 17, adjacent side is simply 8, and this is my answer for secant A. I can directly use this formula. Which formula? Secant A is nothing but hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Okay sir, I am comfortable with the fifth problem. Can you finish sixth problem right over in this small space? That will be very hard. That will be very hard. So what are you going to do, sir? I am simply going to erase the topmost problem. I am simply going to erase the topmost problem, which is the fourth problem, and do our sixth problem right over there. What have they given in the sixth problem? In the sixth problem, they have given us that secant theta is 13 by 12. In the sixth problem, they have given that secant theta is nothing but 13 divided by 12. They have given secant theta. What is the reciprocal of secant theta? Reciprocal 1 by secant theta is nothing but cos theta. So if I substitute it, you can write it like this: 1 by okay, let us start with cos theta. Let us say cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. If you take reciprocal for cos theta, 1 by cos theta is simply secant theta. If you take reciprocal, you will get hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Okay, in a similar way, I can also take secant theta over here. Secant theta is nothing but hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So what is 1 by secant theta? I can take reciprocal of this, which is cos theta. Once more it is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta and secant theta are reciprocal of one another. So if I am taking reciprocal of secant theta, I will simply get cos theta, which is 12 by 13. Yes, this value matches our idea that the value of cos theta will always be lesser than 1. The value of secant theta will always be greater than 1. Okay sir, okay sir. Now kindly do draw the triangle. In this particular right angle triangle, they have given theta. Let us consider theta over here. What else, sir? Let us consider this as A, let us consider this as B, let us consider this as C. We know that cos theta is nothing but 12 by 13. Adjacent side is 12. Hypotenuse is 13. Okay, sir. How am I supposed to measure this particular value? In order to measure that particular value, let us simply apply Pythagoras theorem. So, what does Pythagoras theorem say? Pythagoras theorem says that square of hypotenuse is nothing but sum of the square of the other two sides. What is AC square? AC square is 13 square, AB square is 12 square plus BC square, 169, 13 square, 12 is 144 plus BC square. Okay sir, that is fine. Bring this over here. 169 minus 144 is equal to BC square, 25 is equal to BC square, 5 whole square is equal to BC square. So the value of BC, if I am going to take root on both sides, which is basically power half, which is basically power half. BC is going to be 5. So let me put 5 over here. Now I know secant and cos. I need to find all the other ratios. What are the other ratios? Let us find sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite. Sin theta is nothing but opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means 5 by 13. Reciprocal of sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta, which is 1 by sin theta, which is nothing but 13 by 5. Once more, here sin theta value is lesser than 1, just like we studied in the first lecture. Cosecant theta value is greater than 1, just like what we studied in the first lecture. What next, sir? The next thing is we need to find tan theta and cot theta. The next thing is we need to find tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. 5 by 12. Fine, sir. What about cot theta? The value of cot theta is nothing but adjacent by opposite. Am I doing this right? Yeah. Cot theta is nothing but adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. So adjacent is 12. Here opposite is 5. So I have found all the trigonometric ratios. With respect to secant theta is 13 by 12. With respect to secant theta is 13 by 12. Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now finish off 7th and 8th problem. It has already crossing more than half an hour. Give me just 2 minutes. The 7th and the 8th problems are comparatively easy. So we can do them in a very fast manner. Okay, sir. What about 7th problem? What is the idea behind 7th problem? Kindly look at the 7th problem. What have they given? They have given that. Kindly look at the 7th problem. They have given that. They are asking us to find tan capital P minus cot capital R, and they have given a triangle. They have simply given a triangle. Okay, let us draw that particular triangle over here and do that problem. Give me just 5 seconds. I am almost completed with rubbing of the board. Yeah, cheers sir, cheers sir. Please continue, please continue. Okay, with respect to the 7th problem, what is happening? Let us draw the same diagram. Here this is going to be a right angle, this is going to be R, this is going to be Q, this is going to be P, this is going to be 12 centimeters, this is going to be 13 centimeters. Fine, I need to find QR. How? In right angled triangle, in right angled triangle PQR, in right angled triangle PQR, what is happening? Hypotenuse square PR square is nothing but PQ square plus QR square. Let us substitute for PR. What is PR? 13 square. Let us substitute for PR. 13 square can be simply written as what is PQ? PQ is 12 square. QR is, we need to find QR. So this is going to be 169, 144 plus QR square. I need to bring this over here. 169 minus 144 is equal to QR square. 25 is equal to QR square. 5 whole square is nothing but QR square. So what I need to do? I need to apply root on both sides. Root is nothing but power of half. Root is nothing but power of half. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. What the next? QR can be simply written as 5 centimeters. So I will simply write QR as 5 centimeters. Fine. So calculate all the other trigonometric ratios. They have given that in the 7th problem. sorry. I just collapsed the 6th problem with the 7th problem. The mistake is on my side. Anyway, let us look at the 7th problem. They are asking us to find tan capital P minus cot capital R. What is tan P? Let us look at P. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Fine. Tan means opposite by adjacent. This is going to be tan P. Opposite with respect to this is QR divided by tan P, opposite by adjacent. Adjacent is PQ. With respect to angle P, QR is opposite, PQ is adjacent. What is cot R? Cot R means adjacent by opposite. So let us look at cot R. With respect to R, adjacent is QR. With respect to R, adjacent is QR. PQ is nothing but the opposite side. PQ is nothing but the opposite side. Sir, both the ratios, we are getting both the ratios as same. QR divided by PQ minus QR divided by PQ. Can we simply put 0 over here? Absolutely. But anyway, let us proceed with another step. Let us proceed with another step. QR, what is the value of QR? 5 divided by PQ is 12. Once more, 5 divided by 12. So basically the answer is 0. Fine, sir. Let us look at the 8th problem. What do they want with the 8th problem? With respect to the 8th problem, they are giving you that if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. Let us draw a beautiful triangle. Here they are saying that cos A is equal to cos B. So let us take this as A. Let us take this as B. Yeah. Okay. Let us take this as C. Fine, sir. Fine, sir. What next? This is what I am going to do. I am going to say cos A is equal to cos B. This is literally given. This is literally given. Fine, sir. What do we need to prove? We need to prove that angle A is equal to angle B. Fine. Where is my proof? This is your proof. First, they have given that cos A is equal to cos B. This is basically given. What is cos A? Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent over here? AC. What is hypotenuse? AB. Okay, sir. What is cos B? Cos B means what is adjacent for with respect to angle B? What is adjacent with respect to angle B? Adjacent nearby with respect to angle B is BC. Hypotenuse is once more AB. Okay, sir. Now what can I do? I can simply cancel this AB and this AB. I can simply cancel this AB and this AB. How am I supposed to understand this, sir? The simple idea is take this AB over here. You can do this in another step. AC is equal to BC by AB. This particular AB can be taken to the numerator of the other side by cross multiplying. Now this AB and this AB will get cancelled. So basically AB equal to BC. Sorry, AC is equal to BC. So AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. Both these sides are same. We are almost at the climax of the proof. How, sir? We know that in a given triangle, if two sides are equal, the angles opposite to them will also be equal. We have studied this in 9th standard. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So let us write it. I am bringing this particular problem over here. Here, what are you going to do, sir? I am simply going to say angle A is equal to angle B. What is the reason, sir? What is the reason that you are going to write? The reason that I am going to write over here is angles opposite to equal sides of a triangular equal. That is basically my reason. That is basically my reason. What next? If angle A is equal to angle B, which means this is basically an isosceles triangle, hence proved. Angle A is equal to angle B, hence proved. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I am comfortable with this particular idea. I am comfortable with this particular idea of the 8th problem. In fact, you can calculate these two angles like this. How, sir? Look here. If these two angles are same, sum of all the three sides of a triangle is 180 degree. Yes, sir. Sum of all the three sides of a triangle is 180. Subtract 90 from it. What will you get? Sir, I will get another 90 because 180, when 180, you are reducing 90 from 180. You are reducing 90 from 180. This 90 you are reducing it from the sum of all the three sides. You are left with 90. That 90 is equally shared between this angle and this angle. Why, sir? Because both of them are same. So this is going to be 45 degrees. This is going to be 45 degrees. And that's basically the end of this lecture. I sincerely hope you guys enjoyed this lecture. I had a lot of fun taking this particular class to you guys. Yeah. Obviously, if you guys like our lectures, do subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, recommend our channel to your friends, promote our channel in social media like WhatsApp and Instagram to all your friends so that we will have a lot of fun learning each and every subject: physics, chemistry, biology, maths, political science, history, geography, economics, right here at Gully Classroom with so much fun and so much depth. Yeah, cheers and thank you guys. See you guys in the next lecture. Cheers and thank you. See you guys in the next lecture.